So my truck headlights were starting to get aged and glossed over. They're about 18 years old, and rather than buying all the replacement headlights, I decided to give this lens clarifying kit a try. The one I selected was this turtle wax kit. I like that it came with the drill attachment for the sander. So you can see there's 3 levels of sanding. That's the 1, 2, 3 pads there. Spray lubricant, which you use through all 3 processes. The lens clarifying compound, which is kind of like a final rubbing compound. And then it also comes with the clear wipes and a sealing wipe, which helps you give you your UV protection. So let's see how this goes on. First you want to do is clean the headlight and then mask off the area we're going to be working. You're going to be using a sander. Get your number 1 pad, you attach it to your grill, and keep spraying the spray lubricant on both the pad and the headlight. You can do that about 6 so passes. Go to number 2 pad, repeat, spray lubricant again, then go to your number 3 pad and keep doing that. You can see where it's really starting to get clearer here. Next, you're going to get the lens clarifying compound and kind of rub it in like you would a wax on your vehicle. Just kind of keep giving it a circular motion, wipe it off. Next, you go with the base coat and you just wipe that on. You let that dry 5-6 minutes. You'll see it get clear. And finally, you come back with a lens sealing wipe and you give that some time to dry as well, and you're done. And that's your final solution, or result, sorry. And I think it came out really good. It's a really truly cheap fix, and it renews your headlight, and that sealing wipe gives it another UV protection to keep it going for another 19-20 years, hopefully. I'll drop a link to this kit that I used here in the description of the video, and thank you for watching.